Welcome home to 1320 Nature Loop Avenue, conveniently located in North Las Vegas's Sandstone community. With a variety of outdoor activities close by, like Aliante Golf Club and Paulie Gonzalez Memorial Park. Over 70 food choices within a 5-mile radius, including 3 coffee shops. This beautiful, like-new 2-story Pardee Home was built in 2016. The desirable 4-bedroom, 3-bath floor plan expands over 1,800 square feet, offering a bedroom and 3/4 bathroom on the first level. To learn more about this home, text INFOREPORT to 1-800-701-6509 or call April Wright of Wright Group Luxury Real Estate, brokered by eXp Realty, at 702-498-4802. License number BS Z-Run 43602.